making more videos to learn how to speak. And I just noticed my blackberries, more turning dark. Yay! I can tell they're not ready to pick though. I'm tugging on it a little and it doesn't feel like it's coming off. I'm just gonna leave it there for a bit longer. But they're so pretty. I think I have to start trimming the primo canes right there, just to top it, tip it, or whatever you want to call them. Do you think I can pick them now? Yeah, they look so much more. Look at them. I don't know if I can pick it. Let me try it lightly. I mean, it's still stuck on there. Let me try this one lightly. That one's still stuck on there. I don't think I can pick it. I think I need to leave it on a little bit longer, because the last one I waited like 3 days before I picked it, and it was a little bit stuck on there still, and it tasted sour. I think I'm gonna wait a couple more days, because once you pick blackberries, they don't ripen afterwards like tomatoes or other types of fruits. The blackberries, they will stay the way they are once you pick them. I'm happy I bought this net to keep the birds away. Let's see what happens. I actually just picked one. This one was actually really easy. I'm gonna see if another one is easy to show you. This one looks still too red. Maybe this one? Nope, still tugging. This one? Nope, still tugging. Yeah, that one. Maybe that one I can pick. Hiya. No, that one's still tugging too. Whoop. I mean, I took it off though. I was getting burned. I don't know. I got this one though. I hope they taste sweet. Did I just see a moth in there? Now, these are getting a little bit too long. Probably like 24 inches long, so I might have to cut those down to 18 inches, like right here probably. Apparently we can use this, the tips, into like salads and stuff. There's a daddy long legs in there. I don't know if you can see that. That's creepy. I don't like that. Daddy long legs can't bite you, but they still look creepy. Still run away and screaming from them. Here's my tomatoes. Something looks like it's digging where my tomatoes are. Right there. I don't know what that is. It's digging it up. It's covered my rock. Covered that. Yeah, there's more right here. They started digging even more. Right there. I don't understand why. Like, what are they looking for? There's another hole right there. I do not understand why this tomato plant is a lot bigger than the other two tomato plants. They're all planted at the same time. They're all pretty much the same size, I'm pretty sure. But the middle one is just bigger. And this one's the one I forgot to trim off of the bottom because of how much bigger it got. These ones I did prune on the bottom. But not that one. They got flowers. And I'm not even gonna take the little flowers off. This one, I think this one did have flowers on it, but I actually did take that one off. And the other one, so the other little one wanted flowers too. I took one off, and then I kept these other two little ones. There's some more growing right there, and some more on top. They're so pretty. Hopefully they go good. What is that? Is there something black on this? I'm gonna check that off. Is that bad? I don't know. I hope it's not. Oh, there's a hole right there. Ah, there's a giant spider in that bucket. Ah. Yes, that is a gross spider. Ew, what kind of spider is that? Looks like there's a dead leaf down there. Like something was digging into there and then they just put dead leaves there. I don't know. Gross. Then I have to get the seeds off of these flowers. Yeah, I have to deadhead these. Or whatever you call them, prune it and get the flowers out of there. I guess it's not done. It's almost. I need to wait until the bottom base is drier, more brown. Like this is too green. This one's a little bit brown. Is there another one? Oh, this one. This one's completely brown. That's one that I could just... Yes. Magnolias. Trying to organic garden. Today is the day we can harvest cayenne peppers. Woo! My shoes are still dirty. Okay, this is gonna be kinda difficult to cut with one hand. So I'm just gonna put that down. I finally got a little jar. I forgot I had one. So I can put a bit of alcohol in there to clean my shears or whatever cutting utensil thingy. I'm just gonna spray it a bit. This one missed it. Spray, spray, and spread it. Maybe spray a little more. Yay, and spread it. Yeah. Now, I have some cayenne peppers. Yes, it's flipped. I have it flipped away from me because it was leaning this way instead of leaning towards when this was on the other side. But it's okay. I'm just gonna cut this. I am left-handed, so I have to use my left hand. Cut. Yeah, you're gonna stay down there for now. They're not bright red, but that's okay. I'm okay with it not being too bright. And cut. And there it fell. That's two, and I want to get these ones too since they're turning a little bit red. But I'm okay with keeping them partially green right there. Or should I leave them on there? Nah. I'm gonna get them right now before something else eats them. Yeah, there's an old TV there. I'm shaking. You can see the plant shaking. I'm scared. And there you go. Got my next one. Okay, let me just go through this. Come here, Pepper. Don't go away from me. And snip. We got 4. Oops, there's one more right there. And 5. I don't know what to cook with them, but we'll figure something out. I'm just gonna pick those out. Get those. Oops, I dropped them on the floor. It's a rogue pepper. And the other 3. I'm scared. There's a spider here. Yeah, I tried propagating blueberries and figs. It didn't work out. They died. It's okay. So now let's figure out what to make with these. What should I make?